step out of the car.
Let's go.
But we're going to have problems, and I don't think you want to mess with me.
Welcome to Cam's Don't Lie. A suspect in a stolen car is pulled over for a missing license plate. He attempts to lie his way out, claiming he recently bought the car and the plate is in the window. The officers, initially uncertain, ask for more details, but his story begins to unravel.
It's in the window.
Oh, it's all the way down.
That's why you put me over?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
I didn't see the plate.
I'm so sorry.
Whose plate?
Mine. I just bought this car.
Okay.
I
have the...
Get it up there.
Do me a favor, just pull up a little bit.
My bad.
You just bought it from the dealership?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good. I just didn't want you blocking the entrance there. Do you have a license with you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Do you have any paperwork saying you just bought it or anything?
It might be at home, because I've been at home a lot.
Do you remember what dealership you got it from?
Yeah. It's on the plate.
Yeah, I mean... Oh. A&E Auto?
Yeah.
Okay. Did they give you that plate, or?
Yeah.
Why'd they give it to you?
They gave me 45 days.
So instead of giving you a temp tag, they gave you that?
Yeah.
Okay, they're not supposed to do that. But I'm not going to penalize you for something that
Thank
they
you. I
may not have done.
I got to pick up my wife from the airport.
Okay. You have a license?
Yeah, I got a license right now.
The suspect explains he's on his way to pick up his wife from the airport, claiming he has a valid license, and insists the plate was given by the dealership with a 45-day grace period.
Yeah, they're supposed to give you a temp tag, not a dealer plate. Dealer plate are only for employees. Okay. So, but like I said, I'm not going to penalize you for that.
Thank you, sir. I got this elbow arrangement here, too. I just bought her.
Oh, there you go. Where's she coming from?
Miami.
Miami?
Yeah.
How long has she been in or is she from Miami?
No, she's from here. She
Oh,
just
okay.
took a vacation.
She took a vacation. You want to welcome her back?
Yeah.
All right. Well, give me a minute. We'll get you on your way. How's that?
Right.
You run a dealer plate for me. It's a Series 005.
Okay.
As the conversation continues, the officer becomes more suspicious, especially after learning that the type of plate on the car is typically reserved for dealership employees, not customers.
What's A&E Auto Service and Sales out of Cleveland?
No, I don't have them.
Tyler's going to go sit at the top of the street.
Okay. Seems decent, but, you know, who knows. I'm trying to figure out why. There's a whole mess of places. Apparently, which actually kind of, I believe, being a fly-by-night outfit, he said that they gave him instead of giving him a temp tag, they gave him a dealer plate to drive around with for 45 days. Like, why are you doing that?
No, that's sketchy.
Well, it's sketchy, but it wouldn't surprise me from A&E Auto Sales.
Over there, yeah.
Right.
The officer decides to verify the dealer plate's legitimacy, asking for additional details while maintaining a polite tone. Despite the suspect's attempts to maintain his story, the officer's investigation uncovers more discrepancies, suggesting that something isn't adding up.
Well, I'm going to go take the keys from him, and then I'll tell him it's in lieu of going in handcuffs right now.
Just to let you know, he did reach down to the passenger seat.
Yeah, he's got an edible arrangement in there. He just came from edible arrangements. Oh, there's a phone number right there. Do me a favor, turn your car off real quick. And hand me the keys. Yeah, hand me the keys. Just hand me. Okay. This is in lieu of you going into handcuffs. You got 2 warrants.
For
Parma and Chagrin Valley.
yeah, they said they wouldn't come get me. I had a
Okay. Well, that's fine. They don't come get you, you're going to be on your way.
Okay.
But I figured instead of standing in the rain in handcuffs, I'll just take your keys so you can't go anywhere. You know what I mean? So give me a few minutes.
All right.
Let me see if I can call them real quick. Hey, how you doing? This is Investigator Pickens from Lakewood PD. Speaking to a gentleman who apparently you guys sold a car to.
The officers grow suspicious of the suspect's story, particularly about the dealer plate on his car instead of a temporary tag. They decide to take his keys, informing him it's to avoid putting him in handcuffs due to his outstanding warrants. The officer contacts the dealership to confirm why the suspect received a dealer plate, suspecting something isn't right.
I'm trying to figure out why he has a dealer tag instead of a temp tag as a plate. tag number is, he's got the keys. Yeah, it's a silver Chrysler Sebring. Okay, there's a police report, Cleveland. Okay, hang tight. All right, I'll call you back. Bye. Don't do anything funny and step out of the car. Now, step out of the car.
What's wrong?
Step out of the car.
The officer calls the dealership to verify why the suspect was given a dealer tag instead of a temporary tag. After confirming the details, he hangs up and orders the suspect to step out of the car.
Let's go. But we're gonna have problems, and I don't think you want to mess with me. I think you want to mess with me.
We're trying to run it.
What's insane? Don't taste me, don't taste me.
Get out! Get out! Now! Now you're under arrest for assault a police officer!
I didn't do nothing.
The suspect hesitates, and the officer warns him not to resist. When the suspect tries to argue, the officer quickly restrains him, making it clear he's going to jail, and that resisting further will only worsen his situation.
The other hand behind your back.
You hear me?
Yes.
You're going to jail. You assault me again, and we're gonna have a problem. Do you understand that? You knocked my glasses right off my face when you punched me.
I apologize. I didn't. Oh my God! I didn't mean to punch you. I didn't try to punch you. I was just trying to get away. I promise.
I told you not to do this.
My wife coming home.
You stole the car.
I didn't steal the car.
I was just on the phone with them.
My cousin. That's my cousin's car.
We've had contact, haven't we?
No, we have not. Sir.
I've never spoken to you.
No, I'm not even from Lakewood.
All right, roll to your side,
No, you
bud.
haven't. I never had.
Bring your knees forward. We're gonna sit you up here. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
The officer, restraining the suspect, tells him to place his hands behind his back and warns him that he's going to jail. The suspect protests, claiming he didn't intend to punch the officer and was only trying to escape.
Let's go back here.
You're under arrest for RSP and resisting arrest.
I apologize, sir. I didn't mean to.
You did. You wanted to get away. I told you not to do it. Did I not?
Yes.
Yeah. It's not worth it. You're lucky you didn't get tased. I'm fighting. I'm 53 years old. I'm done fighting.
Spread your feet for me, sir.
Despite his denials, the officer asserts that the car is stolen and proceeds with the arrest, instructing the suspect to roll to his side and sit up. As the officer cuffs him, he emphasizes that resisting was not worth it and reminds the suspect of his good fortune not to have been tased.
Vehicle was then stolen with Cleveland.
Have a seat.
He captured the vehicle and never returned it.
All the way in.
Shows it to be
10-4. You might have another cut on you.
Yeah, let me take a look at that. Yeah. Does this hurt at all?
No. Yeah, I'll take a photo.
Did you hear that?
What?
It is stolen, and you were the person that took it.
I didn't just take it.
They gave us your name.
I did not take it. My cousin probably did that.
Okay. Well, then he did it with your ID.
He probably did because I didn't know where the car came from.
Okay. All right.
Am I going to get in trouble for that?
Yeah, you're driving it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So if he did it, then you need to complain to him. Because they gave us your name, but...
Okay.
Okay,
so explaining these are his house keys. These are
Yeah, those are my house keys.
So he's got another key? Where's this one at?
That was in his front right pocket.
Where's this car at?
I don't know.
Do you want mine?
It's not a
That's
stolen
before we
car,
go
no.
past anything else?
Yeah.
Those are just extra keys
Extra keys for what?
from like old cars.
Okay. Alright, we're done. He can get his house keys another day.
Can you ask him to come here so I can ask him something? Yeah, I'll roll down your window.
The officer tells the suspect he's fortunate not to have been tased and instructs him to spread his feet and sit down. As they process him, the suspect insists he didn't steal the car and suggests his cousin might be responsible. The officer points out that the car was linked to the suspect's name, meaning the suspect is still accountable. He also finds extra keys on the suspect, who claims they are for old cars. The officer wraps up the arrest, noting the suspect's house keys will be returned later and that further questions will be addressed in due course.
I guess he's got a question for you if
Sure, I'll talk to him. Like I said, he was nice.
Hey, by the way, I didn't strike you.
Okay, then
I think I just got caught.
You just got caught?
Yeah, I think I just got caught. Swear to God, I didn't strike you. I would never try to.
You wouldn't try to hit me on purpose, would you?
No, I had no reason to hit you.
Okay, but you see I got cuts on my face too.
Yeah.
So I'm not real happy about that.
I know.
I'm 53 years old, dude. I've been doing this job 30 years.
Yeah.
I'm not young anymore.
Yeah.
I mean, I tried to be nice.
I know.
You know, so.
I got a question though. I'm supposed to be going to trucking school in June. Is this a felony or a misdemeanor?
Probably gonna be a misdemeanor.
Okay. Because I just graduated from Ohio State University.
But I can't say what they're gonna do with the RSP, but they might drop it to a misdemeanor. But I can't say that.
That's a felony.
As is, it's a felony. But I don't think they're taking F5s downtown.
Thanks for not running.
So, okay?
Yeah.
The officer, reflecting on his long career, acknowledges he's not as young as he used to be and that he tried to handle the situation calmly. The suspect asks about the potential charges, wondering if they will be a felony or a misdemeanor. The officer explains that, as it stands, the charge is a felony, though it might be reduced to a misdemeanor later.
But I'll tell you, you know,
I know.
you seem like a really nice guy, and I was getting ready to let you go, and now all of a sudden you turned into a real jack-off.
Because I was just thinking about my wife.
Okay, well now you're not going to get to see her at all.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, all right, buddy.
All right.
He notes that despite his initial attempt to be lenient, the suspect's behavior has caused more issues. The officer concludes by telling the suspect that his chances of leniency have diminished due to his actions. What do you think about this intense encounter? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Be sure to check out our other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching.